Hey there, it's Kristen Bell, and I'm so excited to chat with you about meditation. Think about it. In our crazy, busy world, don't you sometimes wish you had a pause button? That's exactly what meditation can do for you. It's like a gym workout for your mind, helping you build mental strength and resilience. Just a few minutes a day can make a big difference. Let's dive in. Okay, so what exactly is meditation? It's a question many people ask, especially when they first hear about it. At its core, it's simply the practice of focusing your attention and becoming more aware of the present moment. This might sound simple, but it can be incredibly powerful. It's like giving your mind a little vacation from all the thoughts that usually crowd it. Imagine your mind as a busy city, and meditation is like finding a quiet park in the middle of it. There are lots of different types of meditation, but they all have that same basic idea: training your attention. Some people focus on their breath, others on a mantra, and some on the sensations in their body. The most important thing is to find a style that feels right for you. It might take some experimenting, but that's part of the journey. You might start with guided meditations and then move on to silent ones. The goal of meditation isn't to stop thinking entirely. Instead, it's about learning to observe your thoughts without getting caught up in them. Think of it as watching clouds pass by in the sky, rather than getting swept away by a storm. Just showing up and giving it a try is already a big win. Even if your mind wanders, that's okay. The act of bringing it back to focus is where the magic happens. So take a deep breath, find a comfortable spot, and give yourself permission to just be. Now that we understand what meditation is, let's dive deeper into its incredible benefits. First up, stress reduction. In today's fast-paced world, stress is almost unavoidable, but meditation offers a sanctuary, a way to step back and find calm amidst the chaos. Meditation activates your body's relaxation response, lowering your heart rate, blood pressure, and cortisol levels. Imagine transforming from frazzled to focused with just a few minutes of practice each day. Regular meditation can also improve your focus and concentration. In a world full of distractions, this can be a game changer. It helps you stay present and engaged in whatever task you're doing. Meditation can also be a game changer for your emotional well-being. It helps you manage your emotions better, making you more resilient to life's ups and downs. Studies have shown that regular meditation can increase gray matter in areas of the brain associated with learning, memory, and emotional regulation. How amazing is that? This means you're not just feeling better, you're actually changing your brain for the better. It's like you're the architect of your own brain, building a stronger, more resilient you with every meditation session. So why not start today? Just a few minutes can make a world of difference. Section 4. Getting Started, your step-by-step guide. First things first, find a quiet, comfortable place where you won't be disturbed. Set a timer. When you're just starting out, aim for about 5 to 10 minutes. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Choose something to focus your attention on. Your breath is a great starting point. When your mind wanders, gently bring your attention back to your breath. Congratulations! You've just completed your first meditation session. Try to make this a daily habit. Section 5. Overcoming common meditation challenges. One of the most common hurdles people face is a wandering mind. The key is to be patient and gentle with yourself. Another common challenge is finding the time to meditate. Even 5 minutes can make a difference. Feeling restless or uncomfortable during meditation is also pretty common. Try to observe these sensations without judgment. If you're really uncomfortable, it's okay to adjust your position. The goal is to find what works for you. Remember, meditation shouldn't be painful. You can also try different forms of meditation. Section 6. Your journey to inner peace starts now. This is the beginning of a transformative experience that can bring profound changes to your life. Here's my challenge to you. Commit to meditating for just 5 minutes a day for the next week. It may seem like a small amount of time, but even these few minutes can make a significant difference in your mental and emotional well-being. As you start this journey, remember to be kind to yourself. Meditation is a skill, and like any skill, it takes time to develop. You might find your mind wandering, and that's perfectly okay. Gently bring your focus back to your breath or your chosen point of concentration. Experiment with different types of meditation to find what resonates with you. Whether it's mindfulness, guided meditation, or loving kindness meditation, there's no one-size-fits-all. Each type offers unique benefits and can help you connect with your inner self in different ways. Share your experiences, celebrate your successes, and support each other through the challenges. Joining a meditation group or community can provide additional motivation and encouragement. Remember, you're not alone on this journey. So take a deep breath, close your eyes, and take that first step towards a more peaceful, centered you. You've got this. Embrace the process, and over time, you'll notice a shift in your perspective, a greater sense of calm, and a deeper connection to yourself and the world around you.